Natin sa studio si Assistant Secretary Juan Carlo JC Marquez. Ayan ha, nasaula ko JC, no? Tama, Asek?
Tama, Sir Alvin. Magandang umaga sa iyo ni Jet at sa lahat ng mga nakikinig at sumusubaybay sa inyong programa. Good morning.
Ang topic po kasi natin for today is yung membership natin sa ASEAN at yung connect natin sa ASEAN at tayo po ang chairman ng ASEAN for 2026. So syempre may connect din po yun sa Department of Social Welfare and Development. Pero sabi ko kay Asek, bago natin puntahan yung mga ASEAN matters, bakit di natin pag-usapan how do we fare? Saan banda ba tayo when it comes to social welfare and development sa ASEAN region? Can we say na tayo nangungopya o tayong kinokopya, tayong ginagaya o tayo ang nanggagaya?
Sir, when it comes to with our ASEAN neighbors, so it's a collaboration since we have the ASEAN as an organization of the government. That's why itong mekanismo ng ASEAN maganda para makapag-share ng mga practices between Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia. Siyempre, pwede naman tayong, sabi mo, manggaya.
Pwede naman. Kung maganda naman, why not?
We replicate the practices.
Yeah.
So for the Philippines, we have also been collaborating with our ASEAN neighbors in terms of social protection, particularly in disaster response. Siyempre, ang ASEAN, may mga countries tayo na nasa lugar kung saan vulnerable to climate risks and disasters.
Including the Philippines.
Philippines is number one.
Correct.
So, kailangan talagang may established mechanism tayo among our member states to address yung maging effects nitong mga disasters when it strike. Kaya napaka-importante nung kooperasyon among the ASEAN member states. And also, we're showcasing yung ating programs and services. Like for the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program, it's one of the biggest conditional cash transfer programs.
Wala silang ganun. Halimbawa, ano bang ka-level natin doon sa ASEAN, mga, siguro Indonesia.
Indonesia,
no?
meron sila.
Meron din
Iba
sila.
lang yung name,
Okay.
pero meron din silang system, medyo malaki din since malaki ang populasyon ng Indonesia.
Ay, oo.
Yes.
Malaki sila
more
sa
than the
atin.
Philippines.
Abot na ba sila ng kalahating bilyon ngayon? May 500 million na bang... Kasi malaki yung Indonesia, ha? Although tayo, syempre malaki din
Malaki
tayo.
din.
100 plus million na rin tayo.
Among the ASEAN neighbors. And also, Indonesia, archipelagic din like
Correct.
the Philippines. So, yung...
And they're actually bigger.
Yes. So, in terms of the delivery of the services, we're also collaborating with them. How do they do it? So, ano yung mga challenges and opportunities dun sa pag-deliver ng services?
Kasi kung challenging po sa Pilipinas yung pagdidistribute, lalong mas challenging sa Indonesia
Yes.
because they're actually bigger.
Yes.
Silang pinakamalaking archipelago. I was wondering though, Asek, ito kwentuhan lang naman, yung mayayamang miyembro ba ng ASEAN, may ganyan din, may conditional cash transfer. Countries like halimbawa Singapore, may mayaman yun. Brunei, mayaman yun. Malaysia, ay kay paano? Malaysia, maunlad, ano? Meron din silang ganun o wala na silang ganyang klaseng programa?
Ang conditional cash transfer pa rin talaga is for the poorest of the poor.
Okay.
Kasi sila yung most vulnerable. So, kailangan bigyan silang additional income support. So, yung ating mga countries, developed countries na ASEAN neighbors, so, meron silang ibang assistance or benefit or incentive na binibigay dun sa mga families sa kanila. Pero hindi siya tulad ng mechanism ng conditional cash transfer.
Akala ko kasi Asek, pag Singapore, puro na sila mayaman lahat dun. So meron ding vulnerable sectors sa Singapore, sa
Meron pa
Brunei.
rin. Kasi lalo na yung Singapore is an aging society.
Ay,
So merong mga needs yung kanilang older people.
Okay.
So they are supporting them through dun sa kanilang mga centers or facilities. So merong facility for older people. Minsan may isang room doon for them. And then merong, lalo na yung mga abandoned, neglected, wala nang family.
May ganun din sila?
Meron, to take care of
Wow.
them. I visited one of the facility and nandun yung mga older people. Ang maganda doon is meron silang area to converge and to interact
with each other.
With each other. Kasi kung when they're alone at home, syempre mas
malulungkot sila.
Malulungkot sila.
Pero that's amazing, ano? Ang abung akala natin, ang pag napipicture out natin yung Singapore, yung Brunei, puro karangyaan. So hindi rin pala ganon.
Hindi rin. May iba't ibang issues din sila in terms of social development na kinakaharap.